how can I link other YouTube channels to mine as a featured channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a channel to YouTube, also known as featured channel.
Firstly, you go to the YouTube Studio using the Chrome version. You type on YouTube Studio and log in. Next, you're meant to see the desktop page. Scroll down the top left corner and click on customization. The icon looks like a wishing wand, something like that. Then you press your home tab. There are profile and home tab. Go to home tab. Scroll down and you're going to see add section. This is where I want you to pay so much attention to. Click on add section and you're going to see different options. You'll see popular videos, live. Just scroll down to the end and you see featured channel. Click on featured channel, section title. You have to put a title. You can write subscribe to these. You can say these are my other channels, just whatever title sits right with you. Just go ahead and put a title. In these, I just wrote subscribe to these. Next, we're going to search for the channel we want to feature. Go ahead and type in the name of the channel and you are going to see channel name. Click on the channel you are looking for and you just scroll down and click on done. When you are done, this automatically is going to appear as featured channel on your channel layout. It's not just very easy and wonderful. Just scroll up and make sure you do the most important thing, which is to publish this work you have done. If you don't publish it, it's not going to show on your channel and you have just wasted your time. After publishing it, you can view your channel, you can see the changes that you have implemented, if it's what you want and if it's arranged the way you want it to be arranged. And if you don't like the way it's arranged, you can come back to the studio and rearrange it the way you want. You just know that you can add more than one channel, you can add multiple channels. So this is just me adding one. I can add as many channels as I want to and arrange it the way I want to. You should also note that if that channel has no video, you can't link it. What I mean is that it's not going to reflect on the search bar when you search for this channel. It will not come up because it has no video. So take note of this.
That's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful and now you know how to link other YouTube channels to your channels, also known as featured channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll be in the comment section to answer any question you have. Thank you so much, guys, and bye for now.